Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. I hope I am audible and visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am, you
Okay.
are audible and visible.
Good morning,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. So now, as I already instructed you to open your notebooks, new page, write today's date, write today's date, and write chapter number, chapter name. And the topic is today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of kilogram and gram. Okay. So why there is a need? Who will tell me why we have to learn addition and subtraction of kilogram and gram? Can the child can raise his virtual hand and tell me, the online students, why there is a need to learn addition and subtraction of kilogram and gram? Yes, Dhwani.
Ma'am, because if there is 1 kg and we have to give 500 grams to a person, so we'll subtract it.
Okay, very good. So if we want to know that if we have given 500 grams to someone, so what is left with us? That is the subtraction of kilogram and gram. And if we want to add, suppose Dhwani will purchase 2 kg of apples and Vihan Dobaria purchased 3 kg 500 grams of bananas. So total, what is the weight of total both the fruits?
From
5
5 kg,
kg
500
500 grams.
4.5 kg.
grams.
When
5
5
kg
kg
500 grams. Yes, 3 kg. I think it's 4 kg, na? 4 kg 500 grams.
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it is 3
Yes, ma'am,
kg
Then
and
3
4.5.
400 grams.
plus 2.
Dhwani purchased 1 kg or the 2 kg, I told.
Then
1
2.
kg.
Okay.
2 kg.
If,
Then 2.
okay, if Dhwani has purchased 2 kg and Bihan Dobaria has purchased or the Tej Kumar has purchased 3 kg 500 grams of banana, so total it is 5 kg 500 grams. So when you want to know the total and want to know how much is the together, then we do the addition. And in subtraction, when you give something to someone and you want to subtract it from it, Mantra, you are late 3 minutes in the class. Please join class on time, otherwise you will miss the whatever being taught to you in the initial class or the 5 minutes before. So please come on time in the class.
Hello,
Now
ma'am.
open your notebooks. I'm going to present my screen. I will show you some sums on my screen and you need to write it. I will explain you also. You need to write it in your notebooks.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you haven't sent us the worksheet that you
I
had.
will send today. I will send today to one today's worksheet and that day worksheet. Okay, write the heading addition measurement of mass. It is called measurement of weight also. If you want to write the heading of the topic, you can write. Write this sum 13 kg 275 gram plus 4 kg 182 gram. Please write this in your notebook neatly, everyone. Give it to her. Everyone is writing, I hope. Everyone is writing. Online students, please answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please write.
Yes,
13 kg 275 gram plus 4 kg 182 gram. Now please pay attention here how to add this. Can you please stop talking? Yeah, you can write measurement of weight heading also. So this way you need to write in kilogram into the kilogram and gram into the gram. And now when you add it, 5 plus 2 is, you always start adding from the gram side, not from the kilogram side. So 5 plus 2 is
7.
7. 7 plus 8 is
15.
15. 15. So 5 will be down and the 1 will go up as the carryover. So 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is
4.
4. Now next is in the kilogram. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 1 plus 0, nothing is down. So it will be 17. 17 kilogram, 457 gram. Please write this in your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One page, only 2 sums. After every sum, draw a line with the pencil and scale, and then down, write the second sum. Only 2 sums on one page, not more than that. Is everyone able to do it? Yes, ma'am. Completed. Can I proceed to the next sum? No, so please be a little faster. Be a little faster.
Done, ma'am.
Please do it fast so that I go to the next sum. Once you complete, you need to write the answer down like this also. 17 kg, 457 gram.
Ma'am, can you show the second one?
My dear, later. Okay, ma'am. Right now classes. Can I go to the next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before going to the subtraction concept, I want to give more practice on this. Wait a minute.
Hello, ma'am. We have to also write the answer down also, no?
Okay. I want to give you more practice. You have to give me some sums. I want to present the screen and then we will make our own sums. Let me present my screen, students, and we will do more practice on the sums on the screen here. Please do it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, we have to write
Am I audible?
to again write the answer down. No?
Yes, whichever the sums we will do here, now write it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, I was saying
Okay,
that
so I
we
will
have to
make
write the
2
answer
columns.
down also, like is equal to 17 kg, 457 grams.
Yes, Moksh.
Okay, ma'am.
So one is the kilogram and the other is the gram. Yes, please off the lights.
Ma'am, we can write our own sums now.
Kilogram and the gram. I will make. First, whatever I write on the screen, you have to copy it down. Once you will learn all the concept related to it, then you can write by your own. Please, no, you no need to make the columns like this because I have to write and explain you this way.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I am at Mumbai, so there was no net, so I'm joined late.
Okay.
And ma'am, I have no book.
Can yeah, you give me one sum, Asta. 17 kg. First listen, understand, then write.
532 grams plus 7 kg
17 kg, 532 grams, right? Hmm.
plus 7
Just a minute. So there are two columns we have made. One is 17 kg, 532 grams. And next is 7. So now please note, when there is a single digit number, 7 is there in the kilogram. Ma'am. And that 7 will come under which number?
7.
Under 17 or under 7?
Under
And before
7.
7, what we will mark?
0.
0. Before 7, we will mark 0.
0.
This way we will write because it's only a 7 kg. How many grams? Wait, how many grams now? No. 890 grams. 890 grams she told. 7 kg, 890. I will give you enough time to copy, so don't worry. Now children, this is the addition sum. So will there be any difference if 890 is coming down and 532 is coming up? No. And please always remember 17 kg, the friend of 17 kg is 532 gram. So that only will go along with that friend. Suppose sometimes when the numbers are given in a line and you need to copy them in a column wise, sometimes what I have noted is many of the students make mistake. What they do is they make 17 kg along with 890 grams. That will be wrong. Why wrong? Because क्यों wrong होगा? Can Nasta explain me why?
the column is wrong, and 890 is on G column, so we have to put on.
No, it is right that you are saying that it is in gram column, so we have to write in gram column only. But sometimes what children do is, this is the normal mistake. What they do is 17 kg ke saath they write 890 gram. They think that this is a bigger number and we write with along with a bigger number. No, don't go with the numbers. See, you have purchased one quantity which is 17 kilogram, 532 grams. And the another object which is 7 kilogram and 890 gram. Think them separately, not together. Like ये बड़ा है तो ऊपर आएगा, छोटा है तो नीचे आएगा. And this way we can write. Am I clear to you all? Online
Yes,
students, am I
ma'am.
clear to you all? Don't make this mistake.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are clear.
Ma'am, I found the answer.
Okay, we are now finding the answer also. I'm giving you a time to copy it down. Let me take the attendance for a minute.
Ma'am, in this there is
So
also.
can you tell me, students, what the child who has done this sum can give me the answer?
Ma'am, 22 grams.
Ma'am, 25 kilogram, 422 gram.
Okay, so now first we start adding with the grams. 2 plus 0 is 2, right? 3 plus 9 is 12. 2 will
12.
come here and the 1 will go up. 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 1, 14. So I will write 14 like this. Am I correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, no, ma'am.
Maybe you will
Carry forward the number 1 at 7.
You will carry
So,
Ma'am, you will carry forward at the number at 9. 7.
okay, many of you are saying that we need to carry forward 1 to the kg because it is 1422 grams. And you all know till 1000 grams it's a 1 kg.
1
So what
kg.
we do is we have to take this one as a carry forward and convert them into the kilogram. So it will be not 1 here, it will be only 420 grams here, and the 1 will go as the carry forward to the kilogram. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
When 1 will come here, the 7 plus 7 is
420.
14 plus 1, 5.
50. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1 is 5, and 20.
1 plus 0 is equal to 1 per 2.
So what I have written here is, everyone agree with this answer?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Any confusion to any child that, ma'am, why you have not written 14?
No, ma'am.
So the answer is 20. Start writing now, please, everyone.
Done, ma'am.
25 kg, 422 gram.
Ma'am, I have written the answer 25 in kg column and 422 in the gram, and then I have written down 25 kg and 420.
Yes. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I write this. It is okay. It is kg section and gram section.
Let me pin you. Wait a minute. Wait, Arnav. Arnav, let me pin you. Arnav, no, this much gap should not be there between the grams and the kilograms. You have not learned in the grade 3. You have not learned
Ma'am,
how to do it, how to make the column. This much distance between gram and kilogram.
Ma'am, we have to do like this. Ma'am, see my.
like this, not that, but
Ma'am, see my. Ma'am, Vishrut.
Yes, coach.
Ma'am, Vishrut.
Yes, we should.
That's
Let me
one
pin
way.
you. Yeah. Yes, this way. Okay. Yeah, I'm now going to the next sum.
Screen is fully blue. No.
I am going to the next sum now. One more sum I want to give you because that also to be a little different. See, if I have purchased 18 kg and 6 gram, and the another one is I have purchased 4 kg and 20 grams. So children, now tell me how I am going to add these numbers.
Ma'am, can I take?
Yes, Tej Kumar, please speak.
Ma'am,
Tej Kumar or Suchi, who is speaking?
Ma'am, Tej.
Yes, Tej, please give me the answer.
Ma'am, first we will put the 0 after 6.
After 6 means here?
Yes. Then
No. It will be wrong, bacha. If you put the 0 after... Can I speak, online students? Will you be quiet for some time and listen, which is very, very important for you all. Children, if you put the 0 after the number, like to 1020, if you're putting 10, it will become 60. If you're putting 20, it will become 600. But you have only purchased 6 grams. But when you add the zeros at the back of the number, it will change the unit. So we no need to add the 0 at the back of the number. We need to add the 0 before the number. And how many zeros? 2, because in 1000 there are 3 zeros and we need to have 3 values in the gram column. So add 2 zeros before the number. This is which one? 18 and 4. This you need to add 2 zeros before the number, not 1. And here we add 1 zero only because it says no. Plus. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. And the next is 0 plus 0 is 0. So the answer is 26 grams. And here when we go, 8 plus 2 is, just check from the board. Just check from the board. 12. And 1 plus 0 is, 1 plus 1 is 2. Everyone is agree with this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please do it. 22 kg, 26 gram. Any doubt to any child in addition?
No, ma'am.
Now, right after this, write the heading subtraction of kilogram and gram.
Ma'am, I can write subtraction.
New page.
Measurement.
Every
of-
time when you are learning new concept, new topic,
Ma'am, I can write subtraction measurement of mass.
yes.
Ma'am, we can write like this.
Which child is this?
Suchi, Mali.
Yes, Suchi, wait a minute, I'll pin you. Yeah, Suchi, but why you have not written a 0 before 20? So it will be 026 gram, 26 grams. If you only write 26 gram, maybe it sometimes you're making you confused also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So now who is going to give me the sum on subtraction? Yes, Hare. Hare is giving me from the offline.
19 gram.
19 gram. First I will write in the gram column.
No, 19 kg
19 kg,
and 3 gram.
3 gram. And always remember, when is the subtraction? Go. When it is a subtraction, always the bigger number of the kg will come first. And the group, the partner of the kg will always go along with that. Friend of kg. Suppose sometimes what you think is, it is coming 19 kg, 3 grams, and 4 kg, 20 grams. So some students, what they do is, they write along with 19, 20 grams. No. The partner of 9 is 3 grams. So that partner will only go along with the 19 kg. Can you please change the kg down here also? Hare, fast.
2 kg.
2 kg. And how many grams?
1 gram.
So he has given this. So 3 minus 1 is?
2.
And 9 minus 2 is?
7.
7. And 1 minus 0 is?
17 kilogram, 2 gram.
Yes. 0, 0 is not having any value, so we can call it as 2 gram also. Please write this first sum for the subtraction. Are you all writing? Everyone is writing two sums on one page, not more than two sums. Neatly draw a line after each sum. Please work on your presentation of work also.
Ma'am, you are talking.
Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, give me. 14 kg. Can you use a 3-digit number for 9 grams? Then it will be different sum. 422 gram. Okay. And another 12 kilogram.
And 42 grams.
42 gram. So it's only 42. So we write 0 before a number. Now when you subtract, 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 4 is possible. So what will we borrow? And we make it 12 minus 4 is 8.
8.
And the next is 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be 2 kg, 380 gram. Let them, everyone complete this first.
Ma'am, can I say one example?
Once everyone will complete this, then Vishrut, you can give me one example.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Vishru, then me.
Yes, I'll give you a chance. Till here, problem to any child? Is there any confusion to any child?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
at the gram we are doing subtraction at the 4 at the below it is written 0. So you have to write 4, not 3.
Where? Here.
Yes, there.
My dear, here see, we did 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 2 minus 4 is not possible. We make it 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. And this becomes 3 now. 3 minus 0 is 3.
Okay.
Done, everyone? Yes, Dheer, give me one sum.
Ma'am, Vishrut.
Vishrut, I'll come back to you. What Dheer will do. Yes, Dheer.
18 grams.
Gram, 18 kilogram.
And 800 grams. 9 kg. And 399 grams.
So Vishrut, Dheer has given this sum. 0 minus 9 is not possible. What we will make it? 10 minus. It will 10 minus 9 is 1. And the get one more 0 is there. It will become what? 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And the 8 will become 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 8 minus 9 is possible? 18 minus 9 is
9. 9.
18. 7.
9.
Is the answer correct? Is the answer correct, students? Please copy it down.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, you have written 9 over. Ma'am.
Yes, my dear. 18, 8 minus 9 is not possible, so it will become 18 minus 9. Any doubt to any child?
Ma'am, no.
Dhwani, any confusion? Wait, Vishrud, let everyone complete this.
Ma'am, like this I have right.
Wait a minute, let me pin you. Show me who was showing me. Arnav. Arnav, nothing visible. Properly hold your notebook. Yes, Arnav. This way.
Like
Got
this.
it?
Yes.
And as I was shouting and telling you, please do 2 sums on one page. You are doing more than 2 sums.
So many.
This shows that you are not following what the instructions are given to you.
And there are
Say like this.
space that's so.
Yes, Dhwani, okay. Can I go to the next sum now? Vishrut, you give me the last sum.
Yes, ma'am. 20 kg,
20 kg,
500 gram.
how many grams?
500 gram.
Okay, 500 grams. Then next is
15 kg.
next is
15 kg.
Ma'am, he is saying
how many
15
kg?
Ma'am, 15.
15 kg. How many grams?
150 gram.
650 grams.
Ma'am, 150. 150.
150. Okay. Children, okay. Listen now. He is saying 150 gram, but it can be 650 gram also. In this situation, what you will do?
We will carry over from kilogram.
Carry over, we borrow.
Sorry, we will borrow.
Yes, 0. We are doing with the 650 grams so that you can understand this concept also. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, and that 5 will become 4. 4 minus 6, and it will become 14 minus 6. And this will become 9. 9 minus 5, 4. And this will become 1 minus 1 is your 4 kg, 850 gram. Is the answer correct? You got the situation when it is coming, the down number is in the gram is bigger.
2 minus 1 is there left. 2 minus 1 is 0.
It is not 2 minus 1, beta. We borrowed 1.
Okay.
It is 1 minus 1 then. Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
Done this thing? Okay, now I am going to present my screen. Can I present the next screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this my worksheet screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Online students, please answer.
Somebody's mic is echoing.
Ma'am Pritika.
Pritika.
Ma'am
Pritika, mute
Pritika's
your mic,
mic.
please.
Vishrut.
Now, please answer me, online students, whether the worksheet is visible to you all or not.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
So, first question is arrange in columns and add the way we have arranged in the columns and added. The second question is arrange in columns and find the difference. Difference means the subtraction. The answer in the subtraction is called the difference. So, you need to subtract. Next is these two questions are there in this worksheet now. So I know you children can easily do the addition. First do the question number 2 and start doing the from the question number 2 the last one. Question number 4. 2 kg 285 gram. From 2 kg.
Hello, ma'am. Can you show the heading?
From 2 kg you need to subtract 385 gram only.
Hello, ma'am. Can you show the heading?
Heading is this only, arrange in columns and find the difference.
Okay, ma'am.
How we can do this?
2 kg, you have to subtract from 2 kg 385 gram. You want to see how to do it? This 2 kg only and nothing is in the grams. With the 2 kg, nothing is in the grams. So we write 0.
2515.
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
And the answer is 2515.
You have to write in this way the question. Got it, everyone? With 2 kg, nothing is in the gram. And with 385 gram, nothing is in the kg. So we have written 0. Now you need to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is
1.
1. 9 minus 3 is
9 minus 3.
6.
6.
Remember, right? It is answer.
Hello,
Right.
And
what was the heading? Can you please say?
615.
is there any confusion to any child?
No, ma'am.
Online students, any confusion in this sum? Why I have not written anything in the grams?
No, ma'am. No confusion.
2 kg is nothing is in the grams, so we write 0. And 385 grams is having nothing in the kilograms, so we write 0. Then start subtracting them.
Ma'am, can you show the worksheet?
This sum you have done, Moksh.
Ma'am, I was writing the
Moksh, the
heading.
same sum I have done here. So you need to do it from this worksheet, not from that worksheet. Do it from here.
Ma'am, so what was the heading?
Subtraction of kilogram and gram.
Okay, ma'am.
And the sums which I am discussing here, no need to repeat them, that sums again. Okay? Clear, everyone? When you go home and if you find this worksheet is in there in the classroom, the sums which we are discussing right now, don't do them again. This is done? So student, now listen. These are the sums related with subtraction. 58 kilogram, 348 gram, 9 kilogram, 375 gram. These are the sums related with subtraction and these are the sums related with addition. Do these sums which when I will send this worksheet in the classroom today and two worksheets I will send today. Please complete the other one and this one. Am I clear to you all? Any confusion to any child?
No, ma'am.
Understood the concept of addition and the subtraction?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
send this worksheet, no?
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, that worksheet, you and told us about converting kilogram